I'm Lori with Team Gabriel.
And I'm PJ.
And today we're at
64 Osten Boulevard in Hartford, Connecticut.
This is a fabulous price, only $244.9, and it has very low fees and it has a lot to offer. We are holding an open house
This Saturday, the 25th, from 11 to 12:30 p.m.
So April 25th from 11 to 12:30 p.m. You'll see PJ here. Please stop by and come check out this gorgeous condo. Built in 2011, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, gas heat, central air, beautiful modern flooring on the first floor, small fenced-in yard that's very private, 2-car garage plus parking in the back, parking in the front. You have a covered front porch. You have everything you could want.
Home is waiting for you. Loho and location right. Close to the city, but feels just right. Don't miss out, come see today. 64 Osten Boulevard is calling your way. 64 Osten Boulevard, bright and new, flexible living made.
So if you'd like more information ahead of time before this open house, you can send us an email at team@teamgabriel.net or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. So if you'd like more information ahead of time, you can call PJ at
4133316868.
and he can answer all of your questions. Otherwise, stop by and see us this Saturday. We look forward to seeing you.
See you soon.